Welcome to Foodili. Are you ready to create something delicious? Let's start. First, we need 300 grams of smoked chicken ham. Chop the ham very finely for the perfect texture. Next, we'll use 8 medium pickled cucumbers. Cut cucumbers into strips, then finely chop. Now grab 300 grams of cooked chicken. Chop the chicken very finely, like the ham. Next, take 20 to 25 small cherry tomatoes. Finely chop the tomatoes for added flavor. Mix 300 grams of yogurt with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. For flavor, mix several delicious sauces. Use salad dressing, mustard sauce, and chili mayonnaise. Mix until the texture is smooth and creamy. Add salt, paprika, red pepper, and thyme. Mix spices with the base until uniform. Add corn, peas, and chopped cucumber. Combine all ingredients until evenly mixed. Now add tomatoes, ham, and chicken. Make sure everything is well mixed. It's time for pasta. Add pre-cooked penne in spirals. Mix everything for the final time. Our salad is ready. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this video. Have any questions? Drop us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. Our macaroni salad is ready. Bon appetit! Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.